somebody took my favorite parking spot at the golf club. Normally I park in that spot right there, tucking me right into the trees. So we're just gonna do it here. Let's get that air conditioner set up. Oh, fluffies. Oh, fluffy stuff from that thing flying off everywhere. I picked myself up this large storage container because if you watch my air conditioning video, you know this is not staying in my van. This is gonna be staying here at the golf club on my trolley with all of my DJ gear, and I will only be bringing this out on events that I have hot days here. Otherwise, that is just gonna stay in there. So it was pretty perfect. This little box was like $12 from Home Depot, and it fit the air conditioning unit actually quite nicely. And how I'm gonna set it up is I'm gonna flip this box upside down and put the air conditioner right on top. I think that is going to work out quite nicely. My event's not for like another 2 or 3 hours, so if this guy happens to move, I will move my van over. But looking at it from like an average person walking by, you're barely gonna notice that. And this is a secured private golf club. I'm not concerned about safety or anything like that at all. I leave my back doors open here every time I got my dog in the van prior to it getting warmed up anyway. But if you can tell, this spot is way better because my whole van just goes right back in the trees. Could probably get this back a little farther. I shoved it right back into the bush. Let's take a look. We're gonna get a little crafty and seal up the top of this. This isn't fancy, but I think it's gonna work. All right, there we go. One air conditioner installed in the back of the van. Ooh, breaking a sweat. Only problem with doing mail time is like it leaves just like garbage all over the house. All right, just gonna grab some extension cords and stuff here. I got lots of cables. This bin is like packed full. That's where I plugged the AC unit in, and it's running right through the service entrance. Service door, tucked in over there behind the shrubs, through the trees. And this is Chef. Yeah, the cable's just tucked right back here through the ground. This is not an area where anybody usually goes through. And the cable goes straight through the trees there. Let's go turn this thing on and see if it works. Taking a look at it back here, you can't see the cable. It's running right through there. Let's make magic happen. All right. It's cold. Ladies and gentlemen, we have AC in the van. Oh my gosh, it's super silent. Listen. That's all. You have to get this close to hear it. I don't hear it at all. So awesome. I'm gonna cover up the front windows. Keeps the nosy people from seeing my van. Especially now that I got the air conditioner in here. If Disco sleeps on the front seat, this thing keeps the nosy people. Oh, guys. Oh, wow. This is like freaking heaven back here. Disco is one lucky puppy. Hey, buddy, come here. Disco, come. Feel how nice that is. Oh, so nice. Oh, I know you kisses for me. You say thank you. One of the luxuries that you don't get in a van that you get at home is a light switch. You know, a light switch where you flick it and it turns on. Well, watch this. Yeah, it's a little LED light switch. I got it at the freaking dollar store. I'm thinking about, I got a little metal strip on the back which attaches to my magnet here. I'm thinking about putting magnets in the van, like heavy duty ones, and putting light switches all over the van. And these things are freaking bright. Like, look at it. They're pretty awesome, especially at night. Like, it lights up the whole house. For $3. Oh, you want to see something that just will melt your heart? He is loving that air conditioning. Now that is so freaking cute. I freaking love that. Temperature in the van feels super nice right now. It's been running on high for approximately about half an hour. Me and Disco just had a nap right there with our heads at the air conditioner. It was great. I need to go get myself cleaned up before I start my gig. Hi, buddy. You like the air conditioner? He's like, thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad. We're gonna go inside and grab ourselves a shower. What more could you ask for from a place to be your home base for all of your mobile and DJ gigs is in one private golf club that has all the luxuries of home? Come on. This is the junior men's changing room. The lady says the people don't very rarely use the junior changing room, but I got a toilet, I got a shower, I got a urinal, I got a sink, I got like 50 lockers that... This is just way too good to be true. I am so happy with this life and how everything has folded out to be what it is today. Things have just worked out on so many freaking levels for the better. Like, look at this place. I no longer have to haul my DJ gear. It's all here. Everybody is so loving and friendly here. It's like family. Everybody treats me like family. They treat disco like family. When I first pulled up here and was setting up the AC outside, the lady from the venue was like, "Do you want to just bring Disco in the office and he can hang out with us in here and kind of chill on the floor and sleep by our feet if you want until you get the air conditioner set up?" That's the kind of place this is. That's the kind of things I love to surround my world in, is positivity and beauty and just great, great people. That's what this place offers my life. That's why I've made myself exclusive just for this venue for weddings. And hey man, what? How could you not pass up all of these luxuries? Not only do I get to make money, I get to eat, I get to drink, I get to DJ, I get to have a good time, I get to sleep in the parking lot, shower here, run an air conditioner, fill my cooler up full of ice. Good reminder, I need to do that too. Boom! I'm gonna go fill up that ice cooler, maybe see if they got a dryer, and I have a shirt I want to wear, but it's super wrinkly.
Down for me, take a sip of paradise. Here below the lights, all the people looking up. Overhead a billion fires reflecting.
I am freaking sweaty, look at. Holy wow. That's disgusting.
What?
Just sweating like crazy.
It's just so bad of you, right? Hey, you'll have that natural glow.
You know I'm a dude, right? Dudes we don't have natural glows.
Yeah, you do.
I feel alive. I got forever in my eyes. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything when you're by my side. Another ultraviolet night. This is all I need. Oh, I got.
Hey man, how are you?
They'll be in just after 4:30 because the guys do 15 times and from 12:30 to 12:45.
It's hot up there. All right. Look at, there's an ironing board and an iron, and I got a wrinkled shirt. Let's do this.
I feel alive. I got forever in my eyes. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything.
This is friggin' perfect. Let's go outside and check and see if that air conditioner is still bumping pretty good. The temperature in the van is so super cool. Hey, you like it, buddy? It's about the same temperature inside the van as it is inside of the banquet room in the golf club there. Super pumped about that. You know, it makes doing gigs a lot less stressful when you don't got to worry about, you know, your loved one. You know, he's staying super nice. I need a beer. In a big way, I need a beer. totally missed it.
Okay, do it again.
Come on, chef.
I wanna do this spin. Let's see.
I want to do the spin.
Do it up, man. Get back there.
That's okay.
Do it while you're holding your prosecco.
Oh.
Look like real fancy.
Is
I
it
don't want.
good?
I don't want to be the background.
Where's the
can I-
special drink?
What do you mean the special drinks? Do you want me to make you a special drink?
Yeah.
I
is
just
that?
want to try. Pass it. That's what you
Try. It's a prosecco they had.
Can I try?
I don't know what that is.
I know. I want to try it. I've never had it, so I want to
get
see
it.
if I can still do the cooking. That's it.
I don't bring it in until. Oh, I'm loving it.
I ironed it.
Did you really?
I did.
That's amazing.
And the beer.
All right, we're about to start this party, but we have one major problem. One problem. The bartender beside me doesn't have any tequila in that well. Nothing. I don't see any tequila over here at all. None. Do you see any? None. How are you supposed to have a party somewhere with me and there's no tequila involved in the party? Anyway, I'm gonna record this whole night. No promises on it, but I'm gonna try and record the night. And hopefully the links will be in the description. If you see something written across the screen that's right now saying no, I didn't do it, then you know I didn't record it. But I'm gonna try, so let's do this.
Hopefully you find them all eventually.
Oh, hello. Sit in the patio right there.
The whole patio, so wherever you'd like to. I know, it's hard.
It's nice, right?
Yeah, let's go to the beach.
From what?
Yeah! Yeah! Nice.
This is the shaker, buddy. This is the shaker. This is the real deal.
All right, I gotta throw all my gear back on here, but I gotta throw my air conditioner on here as well tonight. Let's go get the AC first. Oh my gosh, it's so hot out. Guys, I am so hot. If this was a wedding, I would have just stayed here with my air conditioning plugged in, slept all night long, super cool, woke up in the morning, packed up the AC, put it back inside the golf club and left. But because, well, clearly the sun hasn't quite gone down yet, it's about 20 minutes after 9 p.m. We're done this gig for the night. I'm actually going to be staying here in the parking lot, but I'm going to unplug everything and because I'm an early riser and I don't think anybody's going to be here at 5 in the morning when I wake up, so we're going to pack things up now. Oh, you can just feel, as soon as I open up the door, hi buddy, you can just feel that cool air just coming out. This air conditioning has worked out so good. Pulled my van away. This thing has been bumping all night long and done so freaking well. Let's pack up all this goodness. Now that the air conditioner has done its job, it's kept my van nice and cool, kept my dog fully safe on a super hot night. Whew. Now we're gonna throw the air conditioner back inside of the private golf club because now I don't need the air conditioner at all until I return back here for another super hot gig. So, God, this worked out so well. And I'm happy because now that goes back in the club and I don't gotta deal with that big bulky thing that I don't really need in my van. All right, let's take that thing inside. Who says being a DJ is not hard work? Oh, just soaked. My goodness. What a freaking awesome night. Had such a good feel, such a good vibe. I love doing gigs at this place. Before we leave here today, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so freaking exhausted. I'm gonna fill up my cooler. Oh my goodness. All right guys, thanks for hanging out with us today. Thanks for watching, and I always appreciate every minute you guys spend with us. Super excited. The air conditioner worked out beyond what I ever expected. And hopefully this video answered all the questions that other people had in my air conditioning video about why I should install it in my van, cut it out the side of the van, put it in the back. It was just a temporary fix to get me through some hot nights while I am here and here only. This is a highly secure private golf club, not worried about security or safety or anything. Oh my goodness. Okay. Because I've had a couple of drinks tonight, we are going to sleep. Are you ready for this? This is where my van stayed all night. I'm going to pull over to the far side of the parking lot, and that's where we're going to go to bed tonight. The reason why I don't like sleeping here when I'm at the golf club is that there's a lot of early morning golfers. Sometimes they're here at like 6:30, and if I happen to sleep into 6:30, this whole side is absolutely packed. And I don't like waking up that time in the morning and have everybody sitting out here hanging around, and there's me creeping out from between my curtains. So I tuck myself on the other side of the parking lot. I'm good to go. And that's what I love about doing my gigs here, is that this is like my home. I could have stayed AC plugged in all night tonight, but I'm hoping that I'm awake super early because, I don't know, I feel like enjoying my day tomorrow. I am soaked. I should actually go back inside and have a shower. All right, guys, we will see you. I don't know. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.